Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jasmine's Creative World. If you're here for the first time, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all of my new videos. So I just wanted to take and say hello. It's been a little while. It's been probably about 6 months since I last posted a video. Things have been kind of crazy, and with all of the stuff that was going on with YouTube, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to continue to make videos, but since everything with that has started to calm down, then I'm just really super excited to start making videos for you guys again. So I've also been trying to get a new office space and get my own area to crochet so that's not all over my house. But yeah, so I just wanted to say hello, touch base with everyone. Welcome to all of the new subscribers. I'm super excited to have you with us. Also wanted to see what kind of videos you guys are interested in. If you still wanted me to do like the amigurumi videos or like a new crochet stitches each week, I can do those kind of videos too. And or just like what other kind of projects, if you are also interested in like sewing, or I recently got a Cricut, so if you guys want to see some of those videos with the crocheting videos, just let me know, because really I want to make videos that you guys are going to enjoy and will really help you out. So that's the end for this video, and I'll hopefully see you very soon in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.